Hello, welcome to online lecture of advanced surveying. In this lecture, we are learn the geographic information system. Geographic information system. The GIS is a system that collects, displays, manages, and analyzes geographic information. A geographic information system is a system designed to capture, store, manipulate, analyze, manage, and present all type of geographical data. Surveyor use GIS to manage the entire planning aspect of surveying project. GIS provides the tools necessary to research, develop, implement, and monitor the progress of project and manage site location, environmental impact mitigation, economic analysis, and other critical facts. Component part of GIS. As per figure, the component are hardware, software, data, people, and methods. Let's see in detail. First one is hardware. It includes the CPU of computer. It is attached to it storage device. Device like digiter and scanner are used to convert data which is in form of map and documents of digital form and send them to computer. Softwares. The GIS softwares includes the program and user interface for driving the hardware. It is essential to generate, store, analyze, manipulate, and display geographic information or data. The basic function of software should offer data capture, data management, data analysis, and visualization. These are some of the software used in GIS like Autodesk, PCI, Maple Info, data. The most important component of GIS is data. Geographic data and related tabular data can collected in-house, compiled to custom specification and requirements, or occasionally purchased from commercial data provider. GIS involves two geographic data component. First one is spatial and second one is attribute data. Spatial data. It describes the absolute and relative location of geographic feature. It related to the geometry of spatial feature. Attribute data. It describes characteristics of spatial features. These are often referred to as tabular data. It gives information about spatial features. Application of GIS. GIS is a very effective tool for it is used and application related to civil engineering. State and highway data GIS systems such as name, number, width, length, and location of streets and highways in an area can be used for the purpose of town planning. Land information system of GIS consists of land use patterns in different pockets of lands. Types of soil, profile of the population depend on the land, and such other related information which can be used by surveyors. Planning information system consists of geographic as well as non-geographic data such as roads, buildings, and sewage can be used to help the town planning agencies. Environmental information system is a part of civil engineering, and this system consists of data related to habit, animals, plants, and other related information in case of civil engineering field can be properly used by civil engineer and forest agencies. There is a maximum use of GIS in field of surveying advanced surveying, geology, town planning and transportation engineering and hydraulics, etc. Source of error in GIS. Error due to source data. First error is geometrical and seismic error of source maps. Next one is inaccuracy in source data. Next error is error due to source data being out of date. Next one is inaccuracy due to range character of natural boundaries. And last is limitation of survey equipment. Next error is error due to data input, error in attribute data entry and error due to operation mistakes. Next error is error in data storage, error due to limited precision with which coordinates and other numerical data are stored, error arising from rasterization. Next error is error in data analysis and manipulation, error due to incorrect formula used and error due to map overlap. And last error is error in output application, error due to limitation of output device, and second one is incorrect application of GIS products. Thank you very much.